Here are five food idioms that we are going to learn today. Piece of cake, very easy. To go bananas, to go crazy. Bring home the bacon, to earn money. Next is have bigger fish to fry, have more important things to do. That's the way the cookie crumbles. That's how it is. So these are very easy. Piece of cake means very easy. To go bananas means to go crazy over things. And bring home the bacon means to earn something, earn money. Next is have bigger fish to fry, have more important things to do. That's the way the cookie crumbles, means it is the way the things happen. Next, I school as cucumber, relaxed and calm. Example, Fahd was as cool as cucumber during his exam. He wasn't stressed at all. Not my cup of tea, not to my taste. Romantic films are not my cup of tea. I don't enjoy them at all. Selling like hotcakes, selling very quickly.